Hey guys, what's up? Sean Mayo here, and today we're going to talk about sourcing at Meijer. I'm going to show you everything you need to do, show you how to use our bulk lists, or if you want to put your own together, I will show you how to pull those items that you want to use from Meijer directly and build your own list from scratch, as well as everything else we do. So let's get right into it. So we're going to be looking at Meijer today, so we're going to load up the Meijer search. We can see here that it is a title search, does not do UPC matching, so the matches aren't going to be perfect. They're only going to be able to match based on the title at Meijer compared to the titles at Amazon. So the first thing we want to do is get over there, and the easiest way I do it is just to click on one of these categories. So we're going to, you can either go to Meijer or get one of these examples and go right to that link. The other important piece of information here is how many products per page. So it does not matter what is on the Meijer site. So this one does show 40 per page, but some stores do it differently. If you go to Target, for example, it'll show 24, and Tactical Arbitrage is going to support 60 per page. So you always have to go by what the example tells you to use. So it's how many pages based on the example. So the total amount divided by whatever this number is in this space. So you're going to divide the total by that, and that's how many pages you have. Now, if there's a premium bulk list, a list that we put together, which is a complete list of every single category on that site, there's going to be this big blue button here that says Premium Bulk List. You'll be able to go right to the link and purchase that. A lot of these are, quite economical, so it's $20. It could take dozens of hours to do some stores. Some stores have up to 10,000 different categories. This one isn't too bad. This one actually has 1,471 categories. So again, that would take quite a while to go through and find every one. And we use automated software that's going to do that, where you may not be able to get every single category. So let's get into it. If we go over to Meijer, we can go and look for whatever it is that we want to search for. So if we just go to health and beauty, then you can look wherever you want, get whatever category you want, narrow it down as far as you want to. You see at this point we're at 6,774. So if we go to a subcategory, we're going to see this amount. So if we just go to eyes, we can see that it's going to narrow it down to 1,335 products, and then you can keep narrowing it down from there, or you can search right from this point. So if we want to search this, all we have to do is copy this from here. We're going to stretch my screen up. We can copy this URL right from here into Tactical Arbitrage, paste that there, and there's 40 pages. So we can see that there's a total of 422. This doesn't tell the total amount of pages, even if you go down to the bottom. Actually, it does. It shows you that there's 11 pages here. So all we're going to do, if we want to search the whole thing, we're going to start on page 1, and we're going to end on page 11. And then you're going to enter whatever filters you use, same way you use it anywhere else. So we keep it pretty simple. Look at Amazon out of stock results. We're also going to look at other stores, and we're going to get rid of anything under 50% ROI and 100% in rank. Of course, this is going to change for whatever you do, and later on we'll talk about doing discounts and price reductions. So once we're ready to go, you just scroll to the bottom, click on Submit, and you're good to go. Now it's running it's going to do all 11 pages. Start at page 1, find every single item. It's going to check competing stores to see if there's better prices, and anything that matches your qualifications, it'll bring that in as well. Now, the one thing you do need to note is that Meijer does not ship, so you have to be in that area, or you have to know somebody who's in that area that can go pick one up from a physical store. You can go online, you can find the stuff, you can order it, but you do have to pick it up in store.